Yes, Devesh.
Yes, everyone. Hello, everyone. My name is Divesh Vitaria, and our project theme is centralized delivery system. We are presenting our project to Startathon, which is under IEEE Computational Intelligence Society. Here is our problem statement. And as we all know, the today's era is full of technology, and almost everyone is trying to buy or sell their product on the over online mode or using some of the applications or some of the we can say websites. Some of the examples of these companies are Amazon or Flipkart. So whenever these companies are selling their product, they are using some kind of transportation services. So what happens is, when they uses their transportation services, the competition between the multiple companies are getting increases, and the cost of those transportation services are getting increases. Also, some of the time what happens, the transportation services which they are using is not that much stressful, and the product could be something else. So using this problem statement, we are going to design one of the application which is going to be stable and efficient and feasible for those companies which are doing online business. So yeah, this is our problem statement, and for in further slides we will be explaining the solution for this problem. Over to you, Nikiti.
Yeah. So, hello guys, this is Nitiket. And so the solution for this problem that discussed by Divesh is, the solution is very simple, but it needs to be implemented on a large scale. So the solution is centralized system for all over India for the transportation of goods, courier, food, letters or documents, industrial material or heavy loads, or any kind of transformation is happening in India. There should be a centralized system. That we can take an example, like there is a company XYZ Transportation. So any transportation of we can take Amazon, Flipkart. They are delivering anything, or the Swiggy delivering any food. Whatever transportation are going on, they should be go through the centralized system. So the purpose is to centralize transportation, business services and e-commerce under one transportation organization or company. This will be really beneficial or and efficient for the uh, country. That is, there will be no competitors for the company, ultimately reducing the cost of the delivery or the transportation. And in future, if this project get implemented, as there is this only one organization, these projects may be undertaken by the government, which will be also one advantage for this for the country, for the people. So yeah, this is the solution for the problem statement. And further we are discussing advantages and growth strategy. Yeah, so Deep, continue.
Hello guys, this is Deep here. So as said my teammate Nitiket and Divesh, so this is a centralized system. So all the large scale and the small scale industries will be using our system. So it will be more stable and reducing the number of competitors to zero. So there will be only one transportation all over the India that will be using. So it will reduce the delivery charges and the transportation charges, because the various companies now currently uses the different charges for transportation and delivery system. So there will be only one standard charge for the transportation and delivery. So it will be more trustworthy as well. So next will be the growth strategy. So who will be the targeted customers? So first will be the e-commerce product selling and food delivering companies. So all the companies that are delivering the food and they selling their products will be our first targeted customers. So second will be the courier service companies and the business transportations. And the third one will be the end users. The any local people who wants to transport anything within the India will be able to use this system. So how customers can access the service? So our mobile application or web application provided by us, they will able to use this system. So our the marketing and the sales plan will be, first we will approach the all these small scale and large scale companies to tie up with us, so they can use our system to. So basically, it is centralized system. So all the companies will be using our system. So it will be only one company that we'll be using. And the second is the social media marketing. So we'll use the social media to reach the new peoples more faster. And also we'll use the Google and the Facebook ads to increase the number of users. So that's all for the growth strategy. Thank you.
Yeah, and if you are having any query or for the project, you can comment down below. Thank you.
Thank you guys.